Assalamualaikum. It's me, Muhammad Umar. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss a book, Think and Grow Rich, written by Napoleon Hill. Napoleon Hill write a lot of books like the key of success, the key way of riches, and the Think and Grow Rich. Napoleon Hill is known by his book Think and Grow Rich because we know that finance is very big problem today we are facing. This book is a bit old-fashioned, but it is most relevant today in those days because finance is going to complicated in those days than in backward. Napoleon Hills know that power takes lot of thought takes lot of power to order to work hard. And he wrote 6 basic points to become a richest person. To become a richest person, we have to follow 6 points. 6 points are: first one is having a burning desire to be with the person who inspire you. Read and write the outline that inspire you. Apply your knowledge. Be patient. Do not quit. Be consistent and collaboration ideas. These points encourage us to become a successful person and be helpful to become a richest person. In this book, he writes victories for those people who never give up, who refuse to stop fighting. Napoleon Hill say that be the person you can be the first. And he also write this take care of your mind, that is more important than anything. And
Okay, that's